everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Cocotique box for the month of January. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. Before we dive into this month's Cocotique box, I would definitely appreciate it if you take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription box which specializes in women of color. Now, each month when you receive the box, it comes with between 5 and 8 full-size and/or deluxe-size products, and the products can range from anything from makeup, hair care, or skincare. The cost of this box is $25 per month. When you receive your box each month, it comes packaged in a brown shipping box just like this one. I can't show you the top, my address is there. Normally, I would just open up this box and take out the box that's inside, which contains our products. But this month, when I opened it, I realized that they have changed up the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like inside of this brown box before I take the items out. This month, it was shipped like this. Instead of a box, it looks like it's packaged in a bag. And on the bag, it says, "Self-care is my superpower." So that's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, and let's see what we got. Oh, this is super cute. It's actually a little tote bag. Look at that. Stand up and hold that up. And it says the same thing on both sides. So this is a reusable bag. Very cute. I'll go ahead and throw it over my shoulder real quick so you can see what it looks like. I know I'm kind of short, so you're probably not getting the full view of that, but there you go. Okay. Very cute. Very different for this month. I'm liking this already. All right. So let's dive into this bag. See what we got. The first thing I'm pulling out is the card that they send each month. It says Cocotique plus Twisted Sister, salon-inspired hair care from London. And then it goes on to say, self-care is your superpower. And there's a message from the founder of the company on here. I'm not going to read you the whole message, but I'll read a little bit. It says, "Happy New Year and welcome to a new decade, Cocoa Bells. Thank you all for your support and love. It makes me so happy to bring you products that you enjoy. With the start of the new year, I'm excited to introduce Twisted Sister, an amazing natural hair care line from the UK, and to preview their new line called ADDICT, which will be featured in an upcoming takeover box in 2020. This month, you're also getting an exclusive tote bag to celebrate the launch of Cocotique 2.0. We're updating the website and Cocoa Hearts and to remind you to make self-care a priority. Please be sure to keep an eye on your emails for updates. I hope you'll enjoy using all of this month's products during your sacred self-care #MeTime. Remember to worship your temple every day and that self-care is your superpower. I love hearing your thoughts about the products, so please reach out on social media with the #LoveCocotique and let us know how you like them. Send you all love and light, Dana Hill Robinson." Now, I just said I wasn't going to read the whole message, but I did anyway because it was such a nice message. I just continued to read it. All right, so that's what the card looks like. And then on the other side, it has the information on all the products that they've included inside of the bag this month. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm pulling out another card here, and it says Innate Hair Collection from the makers of Twisted Sister. We included an item from our new line, Innate, for textured hair. So it's just talking about the new hairline. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is from Twisted Sister, and it says Salon-Inspired Hair Care from London, Pearl Perfection Cream Gel, and it contains coconut, avocado, and almond oils. It says moisture plus hold plus shine, the perfect style cocktail in one. Look at that. That's definitely a full size. Let me see what it smells like. It actually smells really, really nice. Most of the hair care products that we get from Cocotique always smell amazing. Now this is for natural hair, and I don't have natural hair, but my daughter does, so I'll be passing all these products along to her, so I'm sure she will be super excited about this box. On here it says the value of this Twisted Sister Curl Perfection Cream Gel is $5.95, and this is a full size. Okay, the next item I'm pulling out is again from Twisted Sister, and it's a 30-second curl spray, again containing coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And it says it revitalizes curls and eliminates frizz. and this is 8 ounces. I'm sure this smells amazing as well. I'm just going to spritz a little bit in the air so I can smell it. Woo. And it does. It smells really good. Really, really good. Again, this is 8 ounces, and the price for this is $8.99. The next thing I'm pulling out of the bag here, it says, channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair, urban therapy, innate hair collection, fix, hold, mist. Infused with mineral-rich Hawaiian deep-sea water, bamboo and coconut oil, scented with lemongrass. So this is basically a holding spray, it looks like. So let me see what it says about this. Fixed Hold Mist is a UV protective after styling hairspray designed to hold your hair's texture, style of choice in place with added shine. Okay, this is nice. Very nice. And this is 8 ounces and it's $9.99 for a full size. Of course, again, I'm going to spritz it. Oh my God, that smells amazing. That smells so good. Loving the smell of this. Whoever uses this for their hair is going to have some really good smelling hair. Again, I'll pass this on to my daughter since she does have natural hair, and it'll probably work better for her than it will for me. Now, there's still more in here. Let's see. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Twisted Sister, and it's Intensive Leave-In Conditioner with coconut, avocado, and almond oils, and it hydrates, detangles, and blocks frizz. So this is a conditioner, and this is 12 ounces, which I'm sure is full size. Again, let's go ahead and take a quick smell. This smells really good too. It has kind of a soft scent to it, but I like it. It's not overpowering at all. All right. So yeah, definitely this bag this month is definitely great for anyone who has natural hair. They really focus on the hair care products this month, which, like I said, it really is a nice bag. Now, they're not products that I personally would use, but I would definitely get some use out of these because I'll pass them on to my daughter, and I guarantee you that she'll use everything in this bag so far. So I'm particularly excited about that, knowing that the $25 I spent this month will give her some products that she can use, and I'm sure these will last her for quite a while. So, and this conditioner is full size at 12 ounces and the price is $8.99. Okay, and the last thing that we have in this bag again is from Twisted Sister, and it's Amazing Dream Curl Gel with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And it says it elongates curls plus strong hold plus it eliminates frizz. So it is a styling gel, and that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and take a whiff. Oh, it smells really good as well. Now, I can't really hold it over because the gel is kind of a loose formula, it looks like to me. Let me see if I stand up, if you can kind of see. Actually, let me just take a little bit out on my hand and you can see that. See that? That's what that looks like. It's definitely not a real solid form. It's a little runny, but it smells so good. Gosh. All right. So that's what that looks like. And again, this is a full size. It is 11 ounces. The price on this is $8.99. Okay guys, so that was everything that was in this month's Cocotique box. Just for a quick recap, we have the Twisted Sister Amazing Dream Curl Gel here, which is full size. We have the Twisted Sister Leave-In Conditioner. We have the Curl Perfection Cream Gel from Twisted Sister. We have the 30-second curl spray from Twisted Sister, and then we have from Innate the Fixed Hold Mist. So when I add everything up, the total value of this month's box comes to $42.91. But this is definitely a great natural hair care bag. Like I said, the products will be put to use. If you have natural hair, you'll probably love this box. While the value of the box is not extremely high, I do still like this box. One of the things I love about the box is that we do get products from different brands that I've never heard of, and I get a chance to try them out to see if I like them and just discover new brands that I wouldn't have found on my own. And like I said, this box will be passed on to my daughter, and she will definitely get some good use out of this. I'm sure she'll be excited when she sees this video that the whole box is coming to her this month. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. Let me know if you received the Cocotique box, and if you do, let me know what you thought about this month's box. If you don't receive Cocotique but you'd like some more information, I will leave a link to them down in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. And before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would definitely appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.